I'm Ashley, and I'm going to be doing addition and subtraction with 3-digit numbers. So, 3-digit addition and subtraction is very similar to 2-digit addition and subtraction. We're just adding one extra step. So, this first problem, we have 143 plus 278. So we're still dividing these into columns. And then we have 8 plus 3 equals 11. So we're only taking the 1 from the ones place and bringing it here, 1. And then the number in the tens place, we're bringing it over here to add to the 4 and the 7. So now, in this column, we have 4 plus 7, which gives us 12. And then we're taking the 2 from the ones place and bringing it over here. And then the number in the tens place gets added to this third column. So over here we have 1 plus 1 plus 2, which gives us 4. And then now we have 421 as our answer. So with the second one, we have 272 minus 134. So in this first column, we have 2 minus 4, which is less than 0. So we're taking 1 from 7. So now the 7 becomes a 6, and then the 1 goes next to the 12. So now this, we get 12 minus 4, which gives us 8. Bringing it down here. And then in this column, we have 6 minus 3, which gives us 3. And then here we have 2 minus 1, which gives us 1. And then we have 138 as our answer. So with this third problem, we're breaking these up into columns again. We have 9 plus 4, which gives us 13. So we're taking the number in the ones place, bringing it under. Then we're taking the number in the tens place and adding it to this next column. So here we have 1 plus 8 plus 1, which gives us 10. So then the 0 from the ones place goes here. This number in the tens place, which is 1, gets added to this fourth column. So then here we have 1 plus 1 plus 6, which gives us 8. Goes under there. And then this fourth problem, we're dividing these into columns again. We have 8 minus 7, which gives us 1. And in the second column, we have 6 minus 2, which gives us 4. And then in this third column, we have 4 minus 1, which gives us 3. And then we have 341 as our answer. And with this fifth problem, we're dividing these into columns again. But we have 2 minus 3, which is less than 0. So then we're taking 1 from this next number over here. This becomes a 1. Then the 1 turns this 2 in this column into a 12. So then we have 12 minus 3, which gives us 9. And then in this third column, we have 1 minus 9, which gives us a number less than 0. So again, we're taking 1 from this number, and then that 1 turns this into 11. So now we have 11 minus 9, which gives us 2. And then in this column, we have 5 minus 2, which gives us 3. And then we have 329 as our answer. With this sixth question, we're dividing these into columns again. We have 0 plus 1, which gives us 1. Then in the second column, we have 6 plus 5, which gives us 11. So then we're taking the number in the ones place. Oops, this number goes here. And then we're taking this one from the 11 in the ones place and bringing it underneath. Then we're taking the one in the tens place and adding it to this third column. So here we have 1 plus 1 plus 5, which gives us 7. And then we have 7 down here. So then our answer is 711. So with these word problems here, the first one, Kevin wants to buy two new pairs of shoes. If one pair of shoes costs $114 and the other pair costs $138, how much will Kevin have to pay in total? So we have 114 and then we have 138. So we have 114 plus 138. Let me just make more room. Okay. So in this first column, we have 8 plus 4, which gives us 12. And then we're taking the number from the ones place and putting it underneath. Then we're taking the number from the tens place and adding it to this third column. The second column, sorry. So now, here, we have 1 plus 1 plus 3, which gives us 5. And then we have 5 down here. Then in this third column, we have 1 plus 1, which gives us 2. So how much will Kevin have to pay in total? He will have to pay $252. So with the second problem, a school is hosting a carnival next week to raise money for charity, and they are collecting donations from 3 nearby schools. They want to find out how much money they raised in total. School A donated $251, School B donated $194, and School C donated $387. How much money was raised? So we have 251, 194, and 387. So we have 251 plus 194 plus 387. So we're just starting off with these two numbers first because we're going from left to right. So we have 251 plus 194. Okay. So in this first column, we have 1 plus 4, which gives us 5. So the 5 goes under here. Then in the second column, we have 9 plus 5, which gives us 14. Like always, we're taking the number from the ones place and bringing it underneath. So the 4 goes down here. Then the 1 from the 14 gets added to this third column. So in the third column, we have 1 plus 2 plus 1, which gives us 4. So we have 445, but then we still have this $387 that we have to add. So 445 plus 387. Let me make a little bit more room. Okay, so this first column, we have 7 plus 5, which gives us 12. So we're taking the number from the ones place, bringing it underneath, and the 1 in the tens place gets added to this third column. So then here we have 8 plus 4 plus 1, which gives us 13. So the 3 from the ones place goes underneath, 3, and then the 1 from the tens place gets added to this third column. So then over here we have 1 plus 4 plus 3, which gives us 8, and the 8 goes underneath. So how much money was raised? $832 was raised.